Let's see the question number 16. Saw by an example that for A is non-empty matrix or non-zero matrix, B is also non-zero matrix. Product of A and B is the zero matrix. Let's see the solution of this question. Let matrix A, which is a raw matrix, A, B, C, and matrix B is a column matrix, which is P, Q, and R. The order of A is 1 by 3 and order of B is 3 by 1. So number of column of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Therefore product of A and B is possible. So we write down here, and the order of AB will be 1 by 1. So here AB equal to move along first row and here move along first column. So here will be what? AP plus BQ plus CR. So the element of matrix A dot matrix B is AP plus BQ plus CR, and according to the question the value of this one will be what? 0. So here AP plus BQ plus CR will be 0. So if we take AP equal to 3 and BQ equal to minus 3, then CR will be 0. So if we take A equal to 1, then P will be 3, and when we take B equal to minus 3, then Q equal to 1, and if we take C equal to 5, then R will be 0. So after there is no problem, there are so many value of A, P, B, Q, R, and out of these we take this value. So here A equal to what? 1, B equal to minus 3, and C equal to 5, and P equal to 3, Q equal to 1, and R equal to 0. Therefore value of A equal to here will be 1 minus 3, 5. So we write down here 1 minus 3 and 5, and B equal to, this is the PQR, so we write down here 3, 1 and 0. So this one will be the example of matrix A and B. So here we write down above are the required example of matrix A and matrix B. After there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 16 as well as the explanation of the solution of question number 16. If you have any doubt to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question, then write into the live chat box, which is open to all of you. Let's see question number 17. Given matrix A, the element of the first row is 2, 4, 0. Element of the second row is 3, 9 and 6. And matrix B, element of the first row is 1, 4. Second row 2, 8. Third row 1, 3 each. Product of transpose of product of A into B is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Let's see the solution of this question. So order of A, order of A equal to 2 by 3 and order of B equal to 3 by 2. So after there is no problem to understand up to this step. Number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Therefore product of A and B is possible. Therefore product of A and B is possible. And let's see here the product of AB equal to order of AB here will be 2 by 2. This 2 and this 2, 2 by 2. So let's see here. Move along first row, move along second row, multiply the corresponding element. First element of the first row multiplied by the first element of the first column and so on. So 2 into 1, we write down here 2 into 1 plus we write down here 4 into 2 and we write down here 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. This is the first element of the first row of AB or first element of the first column of AB. So second element of the first row here will be 2 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 8 and 0 multiplied by 3. Therefore here we get 2 into 4 plus 4 into 8 plus 0 into 3. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Similarly, we find out the first element of the second row. 3 multiplied by 1, 9 multiplied by 2 and 6 multiplied by 1. Then we get here what? 3 into 1, 3 into 1 plus we write down here 9 into 2 plus we write down here 6 into 1. And after there is no problem to understand up to this step. Similarly, here we get 3 into 4 plus 9 into 8 and plus 6 into 3. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. After the simple calculation, we get here 2 plus 8 plus 0. It means that we write down here 10. 8 plus 32 plus 0. So 32 plus 8 equal to 40. 3 plus 18 plus 6. 18 plus 3 equal to 21. 21 plus 6 equal to 27. 12 plus 72 plus 18. So 12 plus 72 plus 18. 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12. At hand 1. 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10. So here will be 102. Observe there is no problem to understand up to this step. But here ask us transpose of AB. So therefore transpose of AB, it means that we interchange the row into column and column into row. So the first row is 10 40, therefore first column here will be 10 40. Second row is 27 102, therefore second column here will be 27 102. So hope that there is no problem to understand transpose of AB equal to this one. Now we find out transpose of B. So transpose of B here will be, it means that we interchange the row into column. So here will be what? 1 4. This one will be the first column. 2 8. This one will be the second column, and 1 3. This one will be the third column. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. And order of transpose of B is 2 by 3. Now we find out transpose of A. So transpose of A equal to, here first row will be first column. So we write down here 2 4 0 2 4 0, and second column will be 3 9 6 3 9 6. Of that there is no problem to understand up to this step. And order of transpose of A is 3 by 2. So here number of column of transpose of B is equal to the number of rows of transpose of A. So the product of transpose of B into transpose of A is possible. Therefore transpose of B into transpose of A is possible, and order of transpose of B into transpose of A will be 2 by 2. Of that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Therefore the product of transpose of B into A will be, consider about the first row multiplied by the first column, then we get 1 into 2, 2 into 4, and 1 into 0. So let's see here, transpose of B into transpose of A equal to, here will be, we write down here 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 0. Again 1 to 1 multiplied by the corresponding element of the second column, then we get 1 into 3 plus 2 into 9 plus 1 into 6. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. For the second row, multiplied by the first element, then we get here 4 into 2 plus 8 into 4 plus 3 into 0, and here will be 4 into 3 plus 8 into 9 plus 6 into 3. After that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Therefore, transpose of B into transpose of A equal to, here will be 2 plus 8 plus 0 equal to 10. So we write down here 10, and 3 plus 18 plus 6, it means that 3 and 18 will be what? 21 plus 10. So then this one will be 27. 4 into 2 equal to 8 plus 32, it means that 40, and this one will be 102 according to this one. So 4 into 3, 8 into 9, 6 into 3, 102. So transpose of B into transpose of A equal to 10, 27, which is equal to the transpose A into B, or transpose of A into B. So from working it is clear that, therefore we can write here transpose of AB equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. After that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question, then write into the live chat box, which is open to all of you. On a spot, I will clear your doubt. Let's see question number 18. Solve for x and y. Each element of this one multiplied by x, then we get here 2x and x. Plus each element of this matrix multiplied by y, then we get here 3y plus 5y. And we write down here minus 8 minus 11 equal to 0. It means that this is a 0 matrix of same order. Order of this matrix is 2 by 1. Order of this matrix is also 2 by 1. Order of this matrix is also 2 by 1, and order of this 0 matrix is also 2 by 1. So the addition of this one and this one is possible. So we write down here 2x plus 3y minus 8. 2x plus 3y minus 8 and x plus 5y minus 11 equal to 0 matrix 0 0. Now equating each element both sides, then we get here 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0 and x plus 5y minus 11 equal to 0. So suppose this is the equation number 1, or let's see here 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and x plus 5y 11. Suppose this is the equation number 1 and suppose this is the equation number 2. These are the pair of linear equation in two variables. Therefore we find out here x equal to what? 11 minus 5y. Suppose this is the equation number 3. Now putting the value of x in equation number 1. Now putting the value of x in equation number 1. Therefore here will be 2 into 11 minus 5y plus 3y equal to 8. So here we get 22 minus 10y plus 3y equal to 8, or we get here minus 7y equal to 8 minus 22 equal to minus 14. Observe there is no problem to understand up to this step. Therefore here will be, we cancelled out minus minus, then we get here y equal to 14 by 7 equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in equation number 3. Now putting the value of y in equation number 1 to 3. Then we get here x equal to 11 minus 5y, which will be equal to 11 minus 5 into the value of y is 2. Then we get here 11 minus 10 equal to 1. Therefore we get here x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. So in this question ask us solve for x and y. So this one will be the answer of this question. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 18 as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If anybody has any doubt, then write into the live chat box, which is open to all of you. Let's see the question number 19. If x and y are 2 by 2 matrices, then solve the following matrix equations for x and y. Let's see the solution of this question. So here 3x plus 2y plus 2x plus 3y will be 2 minus 2 plus 2, then we get 0, and 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and 4 plus 1 equal to 5, 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. After there is no problem to understand up to this step, therefore here will be what, or 5x plus 5y will be 0, 5, 5 minus 5. Therefore x plus y equal to each element of this matrix divided by 5. Then we get 0 by 5 equal to 0, 5 by 5 equal to 1, 5 by 5 equal to 1, minus 5 by 5 equal to minus 1. So we can succeed to find out the value of x plus y. Now we subtract 3x plus 2y minus 2x plus 3y equal to, we get minus 2, then we get here what, minus 4, and 2 minus 3, then we get here minus 1, and 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3, and minus 5 minus 0 equal to minus 5. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. 3x minus 2x equal to x. So we write down here x. 2y minus plus will be minus 2y minus 3y equal to minus y. Then we get what? We copy this one, minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, and this is the minus 5. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2. When we add 1 and 2, when add 1 and 2, then we get 2x. So 2x equal to what? 0 plus minus 4 equal to minus 4. 1 plus minus 1 equal to 0. 1 plus minus 3 equal to minus 2. Minus 1 plus minus 5 equal to minus 6. Therefore, x equal to each element divided by 2. Then we get minus 4 by 2 equal to minus 2. 0 by 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. Minus 6 by 2 equal to minus 3. So this is the value of x. So hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. When we subtract x from equation number 1, when we subtract x from x plus y, then we get what? Y. So y equal to what? 0 minus 2, then we get 3, and 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 2, minus 1 minus 3 equal to 4, 2, sorry, 2. So this is the value of y, and this is the value of x. So we write down here minus 2, minus 1, 0, and minus 3. So this one will be the answer of this question, or question number 19. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 19. If you have any doubt to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question, then write into the live chat box, which is open to all of you. Let's see question number 20. If matrix A is equal to 3, 5 are the element of the first row of the matrix A, 7, 3 are the element of first row of the matrix B, then find a non-zero matrix C such that product of AC equal to product of BC. Let's see the solution of this question. Let matrix C equal to, here order of matrix A is 1 by 2, order of matrix B is also 1 by 2, therefore the order of matrix C will be 2 by n. So we suppose 2 by 1. So let the matrix C equal to A, B. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. So we find out what AC. So AC equal to, here will be 3, 5 into A, B. Therefore the product of these two matrices will be what? First row, first column, and here will be what? A, C will be 2, 1 by 1. So here will be 3A plus 5B. Similarly we find out BC. Will be 2, 3A plus here will be 3A plus 5. 7, 3, and this is AB. So this one will be 7a plus 3b. So from question here given AC equal to BC. Therefore 3a plus 5b equal to 7a plus 3b. Or here will be 4a equal to 2b. Or b equal to 2a. So let a equal to 1, then b will be what? 2, and so on. So the c will be what? It will be 1 2. It also can be 2 4. It will be 3 6. And dot dot dot. So this one will be the answer of this question. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 20 as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have, write into the live chat box which is open to all of you. Let's see question number 21. Give an example of matrices A, B and C such that AB equal to AC where A is non-zero matrix but B not equal to C. So there are so many examples for this one. So let's see one example. Let matrix A is 1 2. Order of matrix A is 1 by 2. And suppose matrix B is 3 4. Then we find out product of matrix A and B, and order of 3 4 is 2 by 1. So here will be A product B equal to this one will be 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Then we get here 3 plus 8 equal to 11. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here we also find out AC. So that here A is 1 2 and multiplication will be what? 11. So we take suppose this is the 3, then 3 2 just 6, and here we write down here 5. And the multiplication here will be what? 1 into 5, okay, plus 2 into 3 equal to this one will be 11. So AB equal to AC given, so the required example here will be what? Write down here required example of A, B and C. A equal to here 1 2, B equal to here 3 4, and C equal to here 5 3. So this one will be the answer of this question. However, there is no problem to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box. Let's see the question number 22. If matrix A is this one, matrix B is this one, matrix C is this one, verify 1 AB into C equal to A into BC. Second, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Observe, there is no problem to understand the question. Let's see the solution of this one. So we find out here AB. So here AB will be A into B equal to 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 and 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4. However, there is no problem to understand up to this step, and here minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 and minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4. However, there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here will be 2 plus 3, 2 plus 6, sorry, 2 plus 6 equal to 8, and minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 3 minus 8 equal to minus 5, and minus 6 minus 4 equal to minus 10. So after there is no problem to understand up to this step. Again we find out BC. So BC here will be P 2 3 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 0 0. Product of this one will be 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 and 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Here will be 3 into 1 plus minus 4 into minus 1, and here 3 into 0 plus minus 4 into 0. So here will be 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1, and 3 plus 4 equal to 7, and 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Therefore, this one will be BC. So we find out here AB into C. Already we find out AB which is 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 minus 1 minus 10, and C is C1 minus 1 0 0. So multiplication of these two will be 8 into 1 equal to 8, and minus 5 into minus 1 equal to 5. So 8 plus 5 equal to 13, and this one will be 0. So we write down here 0. Minus 1 into 1 equal to minus 1. Minus 10 into minus 1 equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 equal to 9, and here will be 0. So this is the AB into C equal to 13090. Now we find out A into BC. So A into BC equal to the value of A is 1 minus 2, and 2 1, and B into C is minus 1 7, and this is the 0 0. So the multiplication of these two will be here 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1, minus 2 into 7 equal to minus 14. Therefore here will be 13. Observe, there is no problem to understand up to this step. So here will be 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1, 2 into 7 equal to 14, 14 minus 1 equal to 13, and this one will be the 0. Similarly, minus 2 into 1 equal to 2, and plus 7 equal to 9, and this is the 0. So from working it is clear that from working it is clear that AB into C equal to A into BC verified. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of 22 to 1 as well as the explanation of the solution of 22 to 1. Similarly, we can find out already. First of all, we find out AB and AC and 8 and B plus C into A. Similarly, we can verify 2. Similarly, we can verify 2. After there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box which is open to all of you. Let's see question number 23. Matrix P equal to this one, matrix Q equal to this one, and in this question ask us prove that PQ equal to this one and QP equal to also this one. So let's see solution of this one. Order of P is 3 by 3. Order of P is 3 by 3 and order of Q is also 3 by 3. So we find out PQ. So here PQ will be what? First row, first column will be what? XA. Another term will be 0. First row, second column. So x into 0 equal to 0, 0 into b equal to 0, 0 into 0 equal to 0. So this one will be 0. First row, third column. So x into 0 equal to 0 and so all term will be 0. And second row by first column, then we get what? 0. Second row by second element, then we get here by or yb, and here will be 0. Third row by first column we get 0. Third row by second column get 0. Third row by third column get ZC. Of that there is no problem to understand the multiplication of matrix P and Q. Now find out QP. It means that first row by first column, then we get XA or AX. We get 0, 0. Second row by first column will be 0. Second row by second column will be by or yb. Second row by third column will be 0. And this is the third row. Third row by first column will be 0. Third row by second column will be 0. And third row by third column will be ZC. So from working it is clear that PQ equal to QP proved. So hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, then write into the live chat box which is open to all of you. I will try my level best to clear your doubt. Let's see question number 24. If this matrix into this matrix into this matrix equal to A. The order of this matrix is what? 1 by 3. Order of this matrix is 3 by 3 and order of this matrix is 3 by 1. So product of this matrix is possible because number of column of this one is equal to the number of row of this one. So product of this one will be 1 by 3. So let's see the solution of this one. So product of this one into this one will be 2 first row by first column, then we get the first element of 1 by 3. So here will be 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into 0. So this is the first element. Second element here will be 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1. And third element here will be 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1, this one, and 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus we write down here 3 into 1. So here will be 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 minus 1 plus 0, and here will be 0 plus 1 plus 3, and here will be minus 2 plus 0 plus 3. So here will be minus 3, 4, and here will be 1. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now this one is multiplied by 1, 0 and minus 1, which will be equal to A. So order of this one is 1 by 3 and order of this one is 3 by 1. So number of column of this one is equal to the number of rows of this one. Therefore the product of this one order will be 1 by 1. So this one multiplied by this one, then we get here matrix A equal to minus 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. So here will be what? Minus 3 plus 0 and minus 1. So will be minus 4. Therefore, matrix A equal to minus 4, and order of this matrix is order of matrix A is 1 by 1. So this one will be the answer of this question. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box. I will try my level best to clear your doubt on a spot. Let's see the question number 25. In this question, if matrix A is this one, matrix B is this one, matrix C is this one, verify that A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Let's see the solution of this question. So we find out B plus C for this one. Then B plus C will be what? 5 plus minus 1 equal to 4, and 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 8 plus 1 equal to 9, and 7 plus 0 equal to 7, and 6 plus 2 equal to 8. So A into B plus C equal to, here will be 2, 1 into will be 4, 5, 5 and 9, 7 and 8. Order of this one is 1 by 2, and order of this one is 2 by 3. So order of the product will be 1 by 3. So let's see here, equal to first row, first column will be 2 into 4 equal to 4 plus 9. 2 4 ja 8 plus 9, we direct write down here 17. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. So this is A into B plus C. Now we find out AB. So AB equal to, here will be, the order of this one is 1 by 2, and order of this one is 2 by 3. So the product of AB, order of product of AB will be 1 by 3. So here will be 2 into 5 plus 1 into 8 will be what? 10 plus 8, 18, and 6 plus 7, 13, and 8 plus 6, 14. This is the AB, and we find out AC. AC will be 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 plus 1 equal to here will be minus 1, and 2 into 2 equal to 4, and 1 into 0 equal to 0, so 4 plus 0 equal to 4, and 2 into 1 equal to 2, and 1 into 2 equal to 2, so here will be 4. So the AB plus AC equal to 17, 17 and 18. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. From working it is clear that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC verified. After there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 25 as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box. I will try my level best to clear your doubt on a spot. Live chat box is open to all of you. Without any hesitation, you can write. If you have any doubt, write into the live chat box. I will try my level best to clear your doubt on a spot. Live chat box is open to all of you. Without any hesitation, you can write.